What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is King Tech Hub. Today we have in our hands the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yeah, this phone was released in 2019 in September 20, and then it has a screen display of 6.5 inches rocking a 1242 by 2688 pixels. This phone has these three cameras I will explain to you very soon. This is one of the most powerful phones iPhone has released out there with a very strong battery life, and this phone is one of the brightest phones you can have. It's just lovely when you use this phone by yourself. You'll love it. This iPhone 11 Pro Max is very durable. I won't lie to you. It's one of the strongest phones I've ever used from Apple, and it has the silent switch. That's the volume button up and down, and then this is the side for the SIM card. You can also, there's a sidebar also there. You can also set it up for an eSIM. The body is very strong. I tell you, it has a glass front and then a glass back with a stainless steel frame. It's one of Apple's amazing phones you will ever love to use. And this phone, I tell you, it beats a lot of phones hands down. The battery has 3969 milliamperes. Using Apple's 20 watts battery charger, you can charge this phone up to 50% in 30 minutes. That is what advertised. And then this battery is also strong. You can see the usage on the phone with 85% after all this while. And you can also use the key charger to charge, the wireless charger to charge it up. And it can last you, I think, for 15 hours. Apple released this phone in about 4 different colors, as you can see there. This phone has a Super Retina XDR OLED display with Dolby Vision, and then about 800 nits of brightness, and the peak brightness is about 1200 nits, and it's also scratch resistant. The glass, it doesn't really scratch easily. The brightness depends. When you are in the room, you have good quality brightness, and then when you are also outside, I think the brightness is not too bad. You will see it very soon. And it has 4GB RAM with an A13 Bionic chip in it, and this is started from about 64GB. We have the 256GB also, and then there is the 512GB. The CPU is a hexa-core, and then the GPU is a 4-core graphics. All the storage was made with NVMe. The loudspeakers were made of stereo speakers, and then it has no jack connection. It has Wi-Fi 802.11, and then the Bluetooth is 5.0. It has NFC also. USB Lightning is 2.0. The sensors, it has Face ID, and then the accelerometer, and then the proximity, the barometer, the compass. It supports the ultra wideband, and then the colors I showed you earlier. The models, they have different models also, and then the price. Recently, I think the price is now down because of the new phones that have come in the system. The GFX bench also about 57 frames per second, and then you can have your good photos. You can still take the nice pictures. The audio quality is not bad, and then the battery endurance is about 102 hours. This phone is still a great phone, and I'll show you how it stands in playing games, in taking photo. Even in this 2023, it still runs the iOS 16 smoothly, and I believe it's going to run the iOS 17 also very smooth. The cameras are great, and then it is also very nice. You see the pictures I will show you very soon. Both the video and the pictures, the qualities are so great. So if you are thinking if you should buy iPhone 11 Pro Max in these times, I will tell you it's still not a bad option. You can still go for it if you are on a budget, but you will still have a great battery life. You shouldn't buy something with a battery life of about 70 or 60%. You should go in for about from 85% to about 90. It should be, you should try if you want to have it. So the camera there, you see the main camera is 12 megapixels. That is for the wide. The telephoto, which is also 12 megapixels, and then we have the ultra wide also 12 megapixels. So all of them, and then it takes a 4K video with 24 frames per second, 60 and then 30.
What one is here?
This is PUBG, the PUBG. And then this is some. Also here we have some photos outside. We took them, and then this picture is also from the front camera. It's not bad. 12 megapixels is not bad. And then from the back also, this is a portrait picture taken during the day. You can see the sunlight on it and everything. It's so great. And this is a picture taken in the night also. And this picture also is such amazing. You can see the colors, everything vividly. This video was also shot with my friends, and then you see it's not bad in the night taking such a video with such a phone of this rate and this caliber. So friends, if you still want to buy this phone, I think it's still a good option. The sound is great, the battery is great, the screen is powerful, and everything about this phone is something that you can still use.